Hey, it's Danny at Speedtrap. All right, just want to do a quick edit on how to adjust your magnetic mod arms that we built. We're using these for different models across the lineup: Bad Boy, Skag, Deere, some of our future builds. They're really handy. They help keep the chute upright and prevent some accidental closures. It doesn't guarantee it, but it gives you a little extra hedge. They're issued standard on a lot of the line now, but especially on Deere's line on the 72s, because we don't have as much room here and we had to have a shallower bracket so the chute sits up taller. So we built in this mount to help hold that chute up, because a lot of 72s are used at high speeds and bumpy terrain at schools and whatnot. So that's an extra leverage against the chute closing down and being a nuisance. So installing these is really simple. All you do is you slide. We've already got the 2 bolts in, holding the mounting bracket on. Just slide your chute in like normal. You can drop your pins in, and then all you really got to do is flip the chute up, okay? And this magnet's got this tab's got a lot of adjustment in it, okay? So you just flip this up, and then you'll set the chute to where it's completely flush, okay? You can't stick a piece of paper in there, nothing's gonna get in there. So nice and flush. And then what we like to do is just take 2 wrenches and adjust, get this started before we hit it with an impact. Now you're gonna wanna use blue Loctite on this. We didn't in this video for filming sake, but when you're gonna set this, you wanna install some blue Loctite on there, so give it a little hedge against loosening up. So we're gonna tighten this with a wrench, make sure that it didn't move on us, still has a nice flush connection, and then we're gonna finish it off with an impact, okay? All right, and then we'll flip this back up, nice and flush, 100% flush. Okay, this thing takes a lot of abuse as the chute opens and closes, constantly gonna be hit. So you wanna make sure it's nice and tight. That's all there really is to setting that up. Every once in a while when you're changing your blades, just double check, double check and make sure that alignment's still there. If it's not, loosen that up, readjust it and set. Each mower is gonna come with a different pole for magnets. So we have different variants that we use within the lineup. We've tested each size extensively to figure out what works with the cable pole. But yeah, that's pretty much the process of setting up your magnetic mod arm to affix your chute to it. There's going to be different variants within the lineup. The Bad Boy kits are a little bit different. The Skag kit's a little different, but the concept is the same. We're using the same tab and the same magnet and the same hardware. So the idea is just getting it flush. If you got any questions about that, you can always give us a call or send us an email or drop a question in the comment section below. All right, thanks a lot.